moved on back to a drift car. It's been really fun in off-road mode. And now we're going to be putting it to the ultimate rally test here at Rally Ready. Adam's here. We brought the Safari GTR out. I'm inside on trash, and we'll see what the Barbie can really do. This is going to be the Z's very first time like on a proper like rally stage, so I'm really excited to test it out, especially for how much minimal effort has been done to transform the drift car into a rally car. I actually really like the idea of having a little more angle with the GTA Tech mini kit on the front of the car for rally applications. So will it stand up to the test? We'll find out shortly. There has been a few changes since the last video. We did finally replace the driver's side coilover lower mount, the one that collapsed on itself when I offed it off the jump.
Got the disc broke.
Yeah, that's careful me, bro.
Oh my god.
So I have a brand new coilover bottom mount on this side, and in the rear we did put Launder shocks on, so I shouldn't bottom out anymore. Set the bump stop so it is a lot higher, because before this was probably like 2 inches lower in the rear. The front is the exact same. If anything, I think the front could be lower. I actually struggle a bit with seeing out of the car and where I'm going, hence me ending up in the ditch. I was like, I think you do a U-turn around this tree.
Our rear tire's a foot off the ground.
So right now I'm just gonna leave it because, you know, clearance, why not? But we have a ton of clearance in the front. The very first thing that we're gonna be doing is a slalom course with the 199 guys. They're out here doing 199 rally school, which is awesome. So we're just gonna be joining in on the fun and doing whatever they do. So they're currently on the slalom. Adam's about to go out. We're airing up my tire pressures to 30 all around, and then we're gonna take the Z out. Car felt good, but I want some more drip, especially rear wheel drive. I just feel like I'm washing out everywhere. So I'm gonna go down from 30 to 20 PSI all around. And this is gonna be our first taste of like a mini course, and we have a jump. So they're out there doing their first laps. Adam's about to go out. We'll see what the Barbies can do.
good like me? I'm gonna say I'm good because I felt like that was pretty good.
That was amazing.
I don't want to be cocky, but that was pretty good. I give it all credit to our simulator giveaway, Podium 1 Ultimate Racing Simulator. Every $5 you spend on LZSG or DriftHQ.com, you're gonna win a custom-built simulator to your needs, spec'd out and individualized for you. It's epic. It's really good, and it made me a great driver my first time doing this.
So that was the main rally stage that we're going to be running on today. Did my first laps as passenger with Adam, and I feel like I shouldn't have done that because my car is going to be so underwhelming compared to that. His car rips. It's so good. And the all-wheel drive, it just rips you out of the corners. It is so fast, and he's doing so good. Like, that was lap 2, 3. He's already just sending it everywhere. Go get in the Z. Probably in the lower pressures just a tiny bit because it is a lot higher speed over there. I just want a little bit more grip, but I'm stoked. Now I'm gonna go do a sight lap. I guess this is the stage that we're gonna get to drive today, which is so sick. Look at this. See, we got a little jump into a nice right-hander. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Look at this. I think this is the gravel as well, but it's way more compacted into the dirt. Oh, this is sick. Look at this hairpin over here. Honestly, it is just so pretty out here. Wow. Turn. Got this. A little bumpy right here.
KJ wants to go for a ride along with you so you can get feedback?
Yeah, it'd be great. Maybe I'll just do one more lap.
Yeah,
and then see
fun.
who wants to come
nobody's
in.
on course, but I'll go talk to KJ, see if he is cool jumping in with you.
Let's do it. Though.
Yeah.
It's just it's easy for it to get carried away.
Even coming through here, like
yeah,
you're settled really nicely. You had that one where you kind of like coming down the rut, you had it a little out, and I was like, fuck yeah, she pulled it in.
I'm trying to hang on.
This is your drift car?
Yes.
Nice.
It is not meant to be doing any of this, but
well, even the rally cars aren't really meant for this.
fair. Good? bunch of pops and bangs.
Yeah, damn. I mean, honestly though, it seemed good. Like your line and everything was good.
Even
like,
on that hairpin?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm kind of just doing drifty things.
It's honestly kind of how you drive a rear-wheel drive car on gravel. Yeah, I don't know. I think if the car was different, where you had like proper suspension and stuff,
yeah.
it would be different. You want to go again?
Yeah.
What'd you think?
It's good. I mean, I've only done 2 rallies in rear-wheel drive cars, but like the things that I noticed would be changed are like more setup, like proper tires and suspension things, like non-drift car things.
Yeah.
I feel that.
Which, so.
You feel comfortable though?
Yeah, I mean, it's part of it, right? Being on gravel, but it's like the washout everywhere.
Yeah.
I feel like I need to work on being committed, like that last 15-20%.
Yeah.
When I'm feeling the tar wash out, and then it'll pull me out of it.
I think you're like used to having such high grip on the tarmac.
Yeah.
Where like, I don't know, that felt completely normal to me.
Okay.
So that's also just like how it is on gravel.
Okay, we're good?
Yeah, let's do it.
I think that was the best the hairpins felt.
Yeah, that
for
was
sure.
Perfect.
I think I just blew the transmission. Oh no! Ah, up! Oh, there's parts out there?
Yeah.
No, there's not. No. Oh no. This is what I get for saying the Z is indestructible. What? I don't think those are... My drive shaft!
That's what I thought.
I thought it was the transmission.
That's what I thought. I was like, it's definitely not a coupler. It's something. That's why you're not getting it in the gear.
Oh, well, never mind. Transmission might be okay. I think the carbon drive shaft just offed itself. But you know what? That was amazing back-to-back laps. So I'm leaving here happy if this is the end.
Yeah. Well, it's gone.
Womp womp. Thank you. This has never happened before, drifting. So this is a new one. Wait a minute. There she is.
You get the full experience.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. I didn't even, yep. Didn't know what the inside of my drive shaft looked like until now.
Oh yeah.
Yo, something is getting beat back there. I thought it was just I think it might be the drive shaft just slamming around maybe. Do you hear that? Yo, the car is pissed. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Ooh. Oh, this is not good.
Hey, boy.
You ever seen something like that before, Booth?
Because it's carbon fiber.
I know. That's a new one.
Donnie literally has one.
Never broke one of them before.
These are one of the few cars that actually come from the factory with a carbon drive shaft.
Yup.
And it's a urban legend that it might be real, I don't know, that's what I'm calling an urban legend. If you drop them, they're basically totaled because they crack very easily.
I feel like we've been dropping it every lap a few times.
No, I mean like physically, if you're like putting one in a car and you accidentally drop it on the ground.
Yeah, and I feel like the laps we've been doing are almost the equivalent to that force. A few times.
The diff's hitting the ground almost.
Did you see it was straight?
Oh, I can look.
Honestly though, I am so happy
You did
with
a
the amount
lot
of
of laps.
driving that I was just hot lapping the crap out of this. Like I am so pumped, even if this is the end of driving.
Z on the side of the road, Davis.
Oh, we did pass the Z for sale, yo.
It doesn't matter. All right,
Okay.
road trip.
All right. Well, this might be the end of the weekend. Rip, sad, bye. But yeah, I think this car is staying a rally car. Comment below. Should it stay this? Should we go more?
A lot of fun.
Should we go more into this world and leave drifting behind?
Stop.
Yeah, Booth had the biggest smile on his face.
You know,
He's doing laps. Look who's driving the barbecue car. It's Booth. Well, we'll see if we can find another drive shaft. If not, it's been fun. It's been great. I think I have the bug again. Oh my gosh. It's sick just being on the edge and pushing every single corner, every lap slightly changing. And this car isn't even set up for this. I don't know if the Z is going to be going back to a drift car anytime soon. I will say, I do have a rally build coming up on the channel. You know, ever since Adam built the Safari GTR, he wants to plan a lot more off-road trips, this being the first of them, and your girl wants a dedicated rally car. So, comment below if you can guess what that will be. Your hint is that I already own this type of car. That is your only hint. Comment below, let me know what you think, and man, this was just, I'm so happy to be here. Big thank you again to Dave for the invite and letting us just come out here and rip on everything. This is just a rally off-road Disneyland, and I'm so stoked to be here. So comment below, let me know what you guys think of rally adventures, and again, any guesses on the upcoming rally car. That is it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.